Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am currently in Jakarta, Indonesia. So I just want to say that thank you so much for your positive support. The video that you're going to watch was recorded back in February 2018. And I just want to say I am turning 26 by the end of this month. And I need your support, your like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, as well as share this video to everyone that you know so that I can reach 26k subscribers by the end of this month. So thank you so much again for all your support. I'll see you again in my next video. Bye! Good afternoon, I'm back with so it's Friday, which means it's the weekend of Iranian people. I'm currently at a park and I was wondering, where are the people? Everything seems very quiet. I know why, because everyone was here and they are camping, picnicking together with the family, and there are just many people here. So we're going to hike up a little bit of a hill like that, see the sunset, so hopefully it'll be nice. Just next to the hill that we saw, that we visited and we hiked, there's a Quran gate right here around this area. It's just basically a gate that has Quran on top of this. Also, I think a lot of calligraphy that that actually recites the Quran, if you can see. Let me show you around. So we're currently at a coffee shop that Muji said is the best in Shiraz or even in Iran. We'll see. You can see plenty of Iranian youngsters that see how it lives up to his expectation and what he says. If it's not the best, he'll pay for everything. You're on a diet and you're not drinking. So you're taking me here, but you're not drinking coffee.
No, for tonight I will drink. Nescafe.
The next day.
Good morning! It's early in the morning. I'm so tired, but I'm currently at the last stop of sightseeing Nasir Al Mulk Mosque, which is very famous, actually the most photographed mosque in Iran, I suppose, and it's very well known as the Pink Mosque. Let's check it out. See the sunlight actually beam through the window, the colorful window, and it makes it so beautiful. It's currently at 7:30 and the mosque actually opened up at 7:30, but a lot of people are actually here, and guess what, they're all Chinese people. They're early riser, they're here already. It ruins a little bit the sacred of this place because now it's become so touristy and whatnot. It looks really nice and super beautiful with all the lights. Look at that, colorful. The best time to visit this mosque is at 7:30 because the sun just starts to actually show up and it will create such a rainbow color through the windows.
The next day.
see plenty of sellers selling different variety of food, but mostly it's